Today I am going to tell you what is Google Search Console and why it is important for your business and how you can set up Google Search Console for your WordPress website. Google Search Console is a free tool by Google where you can see the performance of your website in Google search result. Google Search Console is like a report from Google for your website. Now let's talk about why it is important. Number 1, you can see whether your website is indexed on Google or not. Which keyword people are using to find out your website. How many people are visiting your website by Google. And if you have any technical problem on your website, you can see it on your search console. Now, if you have a website, there are some important things what you should know. Like number 1, are people coming from your website by using Google? Which page is ranking on Google? Which keyword is helping to find out your website on Google? You can see this all information on your Google Search Console. Another important feature, you can also submit sitemap of your website in Google Search Console. This helps to find your website and index it. Search Console also shows problem like 404 errors, problems in indexing issue, mobile usability issue, slow page speed. When you fix all of this, your SEO performance obviously improve. As you can see, I am into my WordPress admin dashboard, and in the left side, the toolbar, we have an option of plugin, and I have simply moved my cursor on plugin, and now I will click on add plugin from the submenu. And here we need to search for Google Search Console or Google Sitekit. If you don't remember the name of Google Sitekit, you can simply search for Google Search Console as well. The plugin name is Google Sitekit, right? So automatically, as you can see, the Sitekit by Google is displayed in front of us, right? It is helpful for connecting Google Analytics with your website, Google Search Console, Google AdSense, Google Speed, and it is having 5 million plus active users. And I am going to click on install now and then click on activate. Once this plugin gets installed on your website, okay, it has been installed. Now I am going to click on activate. Okay, a pop-up banner has been appeared in front of us. We can click on start setup in the banner itself. Else you can also click on Sitekit option in the left side toolbar, right? So I have clicked on Sitekit option in the left side toolbar of my admin dashboard, and here it is asking me whether I want to also connect Google Analytics. No, I just want to connect Google Search Console as of now. So I have checked it. So I have checked in to this particular thing. Help us improve Sitekit by sharing anonymous users data. Okay, I have checked this in. Now I will click on sign in with Google. Okay, it's asking me to log in my Gmail account. I have clicked my Gmail ID. Now it is asking me for permission and I will click on continue again. Continue. Okay, I have Google verify site ownership. Verify. I have clicked on verify. It is asking me to turn on the metrics on your dashboard. Okay, click on allow. Set up the search console. I have clicked on the setup. Go to my dashboard. This is how we have successfully set up Search Console on your WordPress website. If you have any problem, then please you can comment. I will definitely reply. If you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.